Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In today's meditation, we will explore what it's like to honor ourselves unconditionally, to embrace all vibes that are moving through us with love, acceptance, and patience. To begin, I invite you to come to a comfortable seated position with your back straight and your shoulders relaxed. Ensure both sit bones are connected with the chair or ground beneath you. And then open your heart gently to the world around you. Take a deep breath into the base of the belly. And out, grounding yourself affirmatively into this space. As you settle in here, I invite you to soften the mind as you become more perceptive of your environment. With your eyes softly closed, see what you might notice about the world around you. You might feel into the supportive surface beneath you. And then into the sounds and sensations of the air that nourishes you here. If thoughts arise of either the past or the present, gently invite them down into the heart space as you open up more attentively to this present moment. Focus your attention on the breath now as you follow its gentle journey into and out of the body. Stay with it as it fills you and as it leaves you. Take a few more slow and steady breaths here as you softly surrender whatever is behind or ahead of you. As we begin to explore whatever energies are present within us, it can be useful to bring to mind and then release one of the modern world's common catchphrases, that is, good vibes only. From yoga studios to social feeds, the phrase good vibes only crops up for many of us again and again. While its intention may be in the right place, these words fail to encompass the fullness of human experience. They fail to include witness and honor the grayscale of our experience. Because yes, we are all capable of embodying what might be labeled as a bad vibe. As we open up honestly and compassionately to all of ourselves, the good, the bad, and the in-between, our labels begin to soften. We begin to see through our judgments of what is good and bad, becoming better equipped to love and honor ourselves unconditionally. Welcoming all of our vibes does not excuse unkind or hurtful behavior. It does, however, encourage us to take a closer look at the nature of our vibes, finding some sense of peace and acceptance for whatever we are going through. So let's explore this by first taking a moment to drop the mind as we tune back into the physical body. Follow the breath once again as it moves through you. And then check in with your physical presence, stretching or adjusting your position in any way if needed. Now pay closer attention to how you've arrived here today. What energies are swirling within you? You might notice a current of fear, anger, grief, joy, or apathy. Or you might be observing a tender peace and calmness. Perhaps you are experiencing something more complex and multifaceted. Regardless of how you have arrived here today, draw your attention to the heart as you energetically open it up to your present experience. Depending on how you feel in this moment, this opening may be easy or difficult, or something in between. Take your time to explore this radical acceptance if it is difficult. And if it comes easily to you now, see if you might embrace, love, and open to any dormant energies within you that you may struggle with at other times. Take a deep breath into the belly and then back out, softening any resistance to the fullness of your experience. I invite you now to quietly repeat the following affirmations as you embrace yourself lovingly. I love and accept myself unconditionally. I am not defined by the currents that move through me. I am unconditionally present and patient with myself. Raise your hands to your heart as you give quiet thanks to yourself for showing up exactly as you are. Return your attention to the natural ebb and flow of your breath now. And then to the surface beneath you. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed today's meditation. See you again.